The asked questions I've received in this last quarter of the year is, Sam, do I still have time to earn that extra cash before the holidays? And the answer is a resounding yes, but you need to make a few changes, okay? First and foremost, you need to stop scrolling through social media and watching YouTube videos. You need to stop thinking that you'll figure it out all on your own. Instead, you need a step by step process to follow. Here are the steps that you need to take. One, promote a high demand product. Look for a product that people are actively searching for right now. Make sure it has a lot of testimonials that show you how well it works. Two, automate your business. If you automate your business, you'll be able to stop trading time for dollars. An automated system will work for you 24/7. So you won't have to work as hard to generate a cash flow. Three, use attraction marketing. I call it the discovery method. You need to learn how to get your automated system discovered. So you don't have to DM people, you don't have to bother friends and family or rely on luck to attract customers. Four, follow a proven blueprint. I discovered this blueprint back in February and it completely changed my life. I was making nothing online and I felt like I was stuck on a hamster wheel trying to figure it out. But when I followed this blueprint step by step, I made 7,000 in my second month, 14,000 in my third month, 22,000 in my fourth month, and in September I made $31,000. So the process does work if you're willing to be coachable, consistent, and set a vision for yourself. If you're ready to go after that extra income this year, then I'd love to share more with you. To learn more about this mentoring and the blueprint that I followed, just put ready in the comments and I will absolutely be happy to share it with you.